back to our channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Sunglife Cordless High Pressure Washer. So we're going to be opening the box. Thank you to Sunglife for sending this to us. Oh, it's a box within a box. So here are all the stuff that came in the box. So first you have your power washer, and then you have your hose, you have a battery. This is a 20-volt battery. You have your charger, some extensions, and then you have some tip extensions, which is like, this is a direct washing, and this is like a fan washing. This is something for your hose for when you use it for the bucket. So if you don't, after all, this is cordless, so you can use a bucket, water in the bucket, and then connect this to the other end of the hose. That way no particles or dirt will be coming into the washer. This adapter right here for when you connect it, when you connect the hose into the washer. This bottle right here for when you do some shampooing or like foaming. For the battery, it's nice that it has an indicator right there, so you'll know if the battery is fully charged or not. Okay, so first we're gonna have to charge the battery pack. The charger has a green light that indicates that the battery is fully charged, and it also has that indicator here. It's all up to the green light.
Before we move along, please consider subscribing to our channel if you like stuff about traveling, DIYs, food, and product reviews.
Sunglife is doing 20% off. You use the link down below. So first what we did was we submerged the hose into the bucket filled with water, right? We turned it on, waited for like 20 seconds, and then nothing came out. So we went back to the manual, and the manual says that if this ever happens, just try to submerge all the entire hose into the water to get the air out. And then we did just that, and then we were successful enough to make it work. Here it is. Another extended tip, which is like the fan light. Oh, it's raining! So now we're gonna try it with the bottle right here with some soap and water. And thank you guys for watching. Till next time.
Thank you for all your support and have a wonderful day. See you next time. Since you're done watching this video, why not watch more of our videos here?